Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can view links which you have sent or received on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, find the chat on which you want to view links which you have sent or received. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap on profile icon. Next, you can see the option of view media files and links. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of media, files and links. Tap on links. So, this is how you can view links which you have sent or received on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.